How to change glory casts in honor of kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left bottom, you can see this box-like icon. Tap on this box-like icon and here simply select personalization. So this is the place where you can customize different things. Now on the bottom, simply tap on glory cast. So here there are different glory casts and different animations that are available. Now here you can scroll by and check out different items. So you can select the one that you want to change into, and here on the top you can even see the changes that it has done. So later you can simply tap on select and he'll be enabled. Now in order to get it, you must play different events and obtain it to different levels also. Now simply go back and you'll be done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.